Hi and welcome to Market Conversation. Just want to do a quick video on Alibaba. Ticker symbol is BABA. This stock has just been beaten down day after day. And every single bounce that we get, it gets crushed down the following day or the following week. If we take a look at a 3 months chart, this stock was trading above 240 back in July, just in July. And ever since then, it's just been on a downtrend, hitting a low of 143.34. So this is what caused the stock to drop today. Raymond James downgraded the stock to outperform from strong while lowering its price target to $240 from $300, and then also KeyBank cut the company's price target to $200 from $250 while reiterating its overweight rating. I am currently down quite a bit on Alibaba. I have shares, options, call debit spreads, and I'm sure a lot of people out there are down as well, and we're just all wondering, where is the bottom? Everyone thought it was 160 and then 150, and now we hit a low of 143.34. The RSI still indicates it is oversold, but people are not relying on technical analysis or fundamentals right now. There's just too many negative news going on in China. We have the Evergrande Chinese property giant misses another payment deadline. As long as this news keeps going on, it's going to affect all the Chinese stocks, including Alibaba. And today, another delisting article came out. And if we get more of these delisting articles that comes out, people are going to panic, which is going to cause the stock to go down even more. This is the title, Countdown Starts on Chinese Company Delistings After Long U.S.-China Audit Fights. Well, unfortunately, I'm not subscribed to the Wall Street Journal. So what I did was I took the title and Googled the title, which there was by Business Hala. It's the same article pretty much. And it says the 3-year countdown will accelerate this integration of the world's two largest economies. In late 2020, then President Donald Trump signed a law that bans the trading of securities in foreign companies whose audit working papers cannot be inspected by U.S. regulators for 3 consecutive years. The passage of the Holding Foreign Companies Accountable Act followed nearly a decade of unsuccessful attempts by regulators in the U.S. and China to resolve increasingly differing expectations on how such audit inspections would be conducted. The Securities is working out details of how the law will be implemented and is finalizing related regulations. The SEC expects U.S. regulators to flag Chinese companies in 2022 if they do not get access to audit work involving those companies' 2021 financials. Doesn't get resolved, this can go down even more.
Will continue to go down because there's just negative news after negative news. And how do we try to minimize our losses? Which I should have done sooner was to, 1, buy puts when the stock was up to 155 last week and then came back down to 144 at the end of the week. So if we take a look at some options here, even short-term options, it's fine if they're $1.20 for 125 strike, or if we even go to 135 or 270, at least we have some sort of protection to minimize our losses. And if we do go further out, they become quite costly. So for a 130 strike, now we're looking at $600. So what I'm thinking about is possibly opening up a put debit spread. A put debit spread is entered when the buyer believes the underlying asset price will decrease before the expiration date. Bear put spreads are also known as put debit spreads because they require paying a debit at trade entry. Risk is limited to the debit paid at entry. That's what I'm thinking, like a further out expiration date, November or December. Let's take a look at November. So I'm thinking that the stock might continue to go down to even 120. So depending on where you think the stock will go in the next couple of months, for me, I believe that it has a chance of going down. So what I want to do is buy a 120 strike and sell a 115 strike. We're paying $68.60 and we can make a profit of $432. Our break-even price is at 119. It's possible because this stock was trading around 300 not too long ago, and it was at 200 just in July. So it's definitely gone down a lot, and who knows, it can continue to go down. I can go to 130 and 125. This will cost me 120, but now my max profit is 380 and my break-even price is 128. At least this is a little better than just buying long puts, because with one long put it will cost me $585. At least this way I can buy 5 of these or 4 of these for $500 and I can make a profit of $1520. If it goes down slightly, I can make some money off of this put debit spread. So that's what I'm planning to do this coming week. We just have to prepare ourselves if we're holding on to a lot of shares or even put credit spread, which I opened up last month and just recently. Let me know if you have Alibaba shares and what you're planning to do to minimize your losses. And also come check out my Patreon Discord page. I'm trying to grow my small community and hope to find like-minded people that wants to make money in the stock market. Hope to see you there.